Communication begins with he, she. No, communication begins with you. So, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Examination Specifications. So, today I am going to deal with a very much interesting topic, that is communication skills. Before let me start, I want to tell you people what is communication. Communication means transferring of information, emotions, ideas, thoughts, expressions, etc. from one person to the another person. This is the general meaning of communication. Being able to communicate is the important of all lifestyles. चाहे वो आपकी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ है या आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ है, कम्युनिकेशन बहुत ही सिग्निफिकेंट रोल प्ले करता है. You might have yourself analyzed it. See, communication skill क्यों important है? What are the effective communication? For the effective communication, communication skills हम बोलते हैं काफी important है. Why? I will be dealing with why there is a need of important or effective communication. See, for building important business relationship, communications play a very much important role. For quick decision making, for having better control, for more productivity, for all the important thing, for the better decision making, communication plays a very much important role. Communication की उधर पे need होती है. This is the reality. Now, how can be effective communicator? हम कैसे एक effective communicator बन सकते हैं? How? Let us deal with it. See, first point is make communication a priority. See, communication बहुत ही अहम रोल प्ले करता है हर व्यक्ति की जिंदगी में. In every individual's life, communication plays a very much important role. ठीक है? How a person remembers you. When you had a conversation with anyone or any of the person, how did person remembers you? By your conversation, the way you communicated with that person. Communication should be effective. It should be effective. How it can be effective? That is the way you deal with. एक इफेक्टिव कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए कम्युनिकेशन प्लेज अ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. एक जनरल प्रॉब्लम है जो हमने अक्सर बहुतों के साथ देखी है, इज दैट कि इफ दे आर नॉट गुड इन इंग्लिश दे फील लाइक नॉट कम्युनिकेटिंग प्रॉपरली. वो लोग अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाते हैं. एंड दिस मोस्टली हैपन्स. फॉर दैट आई वुड लाइक टू से टू देम, दिस हैज बीन ग्रेटली सेड बाय समवन दैट communication is an art. English is just a language. English एक language है, but communication एक art है. What is an art? Where you can add up the things by your own creativity. So, अपनी creativity के accordingly deal करो लोगों के साथ. But that communication should be effective. So, don't think that you don't know English, you can't be able to talk. You will be able to talk. जिनको इंग्लिश बोलने में दिक्कत होती है उन्हें कभी ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए that they will not be able to deal with the people. But my dear, you will be more able to deal with the people if you have good creativity, because it is an art. You should know that how your art can become effective. For effective speaking, certain points should be remembered and must be kept in mind. First is that good, or you can say body language is important. Body language involves your gesture, the way you deal with the people, your expression, the way you are handling the question, the way how you are communicating with the audience. That matters a lot when you are speaking. It defines your personality, that how you are dealing. You should be effective enough to tackle with the surrounding, the tackle with the people, whatever questions they are asking to you. And when you are talking, you are giving public speaking, you are giving presentation, your body language matters a lot. It enhances your personality. You should know how to be effective. Body language is very much important. Studies shows that almost 65% of the communication is non-verbal. So it is very much important. Now, foremost thing is that which is important is always maintain an eye contact whenever you are giving public speaking, or you are doing one-on-one conversation, or you are dealing with, or you are giving your presentation or anything. For that, you should maintain a proper eye contact with the person to whom you are talking with, or whom you are dealing with. Where until and unless अगर आपका eye contact नहीं है that particular person के साथ to whom you are doing communication or doing conversation, will that be effective one communication? No. Let us take an example. अभी तक मैंने जो भी बोला, I made eye contact with you all by looking front in the camera, क्योंकि I was dealing with you everyone. अभी अगर I will be looking at there, और जो भी मैंने अभी तक बोला, मैं पूरी स्पीच ऐसे ही बोलती, whatever my video was all about, अगर मैं पूरा वीडियो ऐसे बोलती, would that be effective one? No, वो इफेक्टिव नहीं होता, बिकॉज मैं बोल आप लोगों से रही हूं बट देख वहां रही हूं. इट इज नॉट इफेक्टिव, राइट? सो कम्युनिकेशन करते वक्त देयर शुड बी एन आई कॉन्टैक्ट विद द पर्सन टू हुम यू आर डीलिंग विद. देखो, आई कॉन्टैक्ट जो है इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? वाई? बिकॉज इट बिल्ड्स क्रेडिटेबिलिटी एंड इट डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट्स दैट यू केयर अबाउट योर ऑडियंस, कि मुझे अपनी ऑडियंस की केयर है. ये भावना उत्पन्न होती है व्हेन यू आर कीपिंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट विथ योर ऑडियंस. सो आई कॉन्टैक्ट के लिए जब भी आप किसी से, चाहे आप वन इन वन कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं या वट एवर कॉन्वर्सेशन यू आर डूइंग, जब व्हेन यू आर डूइंग मीन्स आप कभी स्पीच दे रहे हैं या फिर प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं, उस टाइम पे आई कॉन्टैक्ट सबसे अहम रोल प्ले करता है. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल उससे काफी इफेक्टिव होती है, ठीक है? बिकॉज इट जनरेट्स अ ट्रस्ट बिटवीन यू एंड योर ऑडियंस, योर लिसनर, दैट yes, you care about your audience. Now you have given the speech, you have given the presentation, everything, or you have done the communication with the person or conversation with the person. Now it comes to the question round. The person asks you the question. आपको, for a better communicator is always a good listener. Always keep this in mind. So first listen to the question, what that student has asked to you, what that individual has asked to you. It is very much important. आप उनके क्वेश्चन को सुनो. बेटर कम्युनिकेशन तभी होगी जब आपने कुछ पॉइंट रखा, किसी दूसरे पर्सन ने आपसे क्वेश्चन बैक करा. नाउ इट कम्स टू द आंसर राउंड. आपको उस आंसर को अगर देना है, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू लिसन टू द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. टेक टाइम टू रिस्पॉन्ड, बट दैट रिस्पॉन्ड शुड बी हार्ट टचिंग. मेक that person satisfied with your answer. That is the quality of a good communicator. Making the person satisfied. See, never blame any student or anyone for giving wrong answer. If you see, when you haven't understood the question properly, never blame anyone. किसी और को blame मत करो. You should be effective enough. You should be creative enough that आप उसे इंटरप्रेट करके यू शुड टेल देम. एंड आई एम अगेन सेइंग, कम्युनिकेशन तभी एक आर्ट है. यू शुड हैव दैट क्वालिटी ऑफ इंटरप्रिटेटिंग. सो एनहांस योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. एज वी से, योर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज योर लास्ट इंप्रेशन. सो कैसे फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन आपको किसी के ऊपर इम्प्रिंट करना है, इट्स अप टू यू. बी क्रिएटिव, बी जस्ट बोल्ड इनफ. Be creative, be good communicator, everything. Engage with your audience whenever you are dealing with full enthusiasm, with wholeheartedly deal with them. You should have good eye contact with the person you are talking with. You should have the quality to answer every question. If you don't know, you should know how to react at that moment. You should be a good listener when you want to be a good communicator. You should have decision making ability. Work upon this art of communication and simplify and stay on your message, whatever you are dealing with the public, and make a communication a priority always, and be a good listener. Finally, to be a good communicator. That's it. And not he, not she. It's you where communication begins. That's it. And always keep smiling. Thank you so much. Do like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Examination Specifications.